Yes, guys, literally, I would say probably my favourite spot in the whole of the Dales. I'm here with Kelly. This is the tallest waterfall in England. I think we'll crack on because it's a long way. It's getting late. It's about 4 o'clock. Come and join us. See you there. Hey! Yeah, so we are in Sedburgh, and that is right on the edge of the Dales, bordering Cumbria, isn't it?
I think so.
Absolutely stunning.
Lovely day.
Bit of a walk to the site. There's a non-alcohol pub down there. I know. Don't start me. Don't start me. This pub actually doesn't do alcohol, and that's for real. But here we are. We're going to head as far up as we can. It's getting late in the day, but we are a little bit knackered from last night. We had a few bevies then, didn't we?
Well, we got a house, so...
Yeah, we just got our house here.
Celebration.
So it was a little bit of a celebration. Nothing too heavy. So I reckon about 30-minute walk to the end from right over here. So the pub's just down there over the other side, 10 minutes away. And then another half hour somewhere towards the foot. Now this is quite a dramatic waterfall. However, us Brits normally get a lot of rain and we haven't had any for a while. So it'll be not so dramatic, a little bit on the dry side. Let's crack on. Certainly a lot hotter than I thought it would be.
Wow, it's really warm.
Crazy, isn't it?
First time I've been warm since we've been here.
Oh.
Beautiful.
Dramatic, that. Imagine living right out here. I mean, we are on the edge of the Dales ourselves. Right on the edge. And all this is our backyard. You can't beat it. Hey. We've done about 25 minutes walking so far. We're getting closer. And we're still being relatively flat. We've just been kind of like going up little tiny hills and back down again. But I don't know if you can see it there. Can you see it? Can you?
I can.
I can't.
Beautiful.
Yes, it's right in there.
You can hear it.
But you can run along, alright? You can run along the side of it all the way up a pretty damn steep mountain, as you can see.
I don't know if your mic picks it up, but you can hear it from here.
We might try it, we might not. The mic will certainly pick it up when we get closer, but we're going to see how far we can get, aren't we?
That water
Yeah,
sounds amazing.
it does.
Like you said, it's not rain, so it's not at its full
I mean, it's
whack.
you know, these are pretty steep. You have a look at that, that's a smaller one. I don't know what it says on the camera, but it's unbelievable. Unbelievable. So we look around here. It's almost like the mountains are kind of like hugging around it, aren't they? Yep. And you look down into the valley there. Once you're at the top, you can really get an idea. It's not going to happen today, is it? Huh? We're not going to get to the top, are we? It's not going to happen. I mean, we've been doing a lot this last few weeks. Well, last 2 weeks we got up here, we've done quite a bit. But we'll get a bit closer, crack on, see how close we can get. Let's get that drone up again. Man, I almost had, well I did have my Attenborough shot. It was perfect, and then the camera on the gimbal, or the gimbal part of the camera, just got stuck and stopped working, and then we started to wobble. Then of course by the time I got the thing back in, the battery was running low. Still, I'm climbing away here. I got some shots of the area. I didn't get the close shot I wanted, but still, here we are. Nature of the game. We don't get the sort of time that a lot of people get doing these things. I haven't got endless batteries either. Still, we are close to it. Not doing bad at all. There she is. There she is. There's Kelly up there. Hey up, lass. Alright. Oh well, she's well rested. Yep, as suspected. Not a lot of water. It is far more dramatic than that most of the year, but we haven't had any rain, so not so good. What's the matter? Come away from, it's not that bad. That's alright. She cares. She finally cares. So yeah, still beautiful however you look at it, but that will be 4 times that and beyond. Usually we haven't had rain in weeks, have we? Still, you're used to anticlimaxes here on this show. This is what we do. We go through a lot of pain and we can't even get the band-aid at the end of it.
Look how high up we are.
Yeah, it's getting real. That's getting real, that, isn't it? Huh? You alright? I know I'm not. Struggling a bit. So is it, you take a few months out and it's game over. So we come to a little rocky bit here. We're not going to go much further. I just wanted to get a shot downhill, show you how beautiful it is. If you really want to see it, come after we've had plenty of rain, get some good weather, and just see for yourself really. But I'm going to get this shot. We'll be back in a minute. Out. I'll be alright, babe, it's alright. So that's a pretty unbelievable drop here. But to get any sort of shot, still quite a way to go. Look at that view. Is that worth it? You see that river normally is full as well, Kelly. The river's full. And you can see like a silvery snake going down the bottom. But at the moment, not a lot going on. The tap has been turned off. Try a little bit more. Are you alright? Come on. As it turned out, Kelly was suffering from something neither of us knew she suffered from. Vertigo. I can't say I won't, but I haven't yet.
I know, so
just let me know. Stop. Just let me know, because the game here is it's not a game.
Exactly.
If you can't do it, we don't do it, and that's simple. It's as simple as that. First rule. It's alright, we're going. We're going. Hang on. Hang on, guys. I'm just going to switch off. Alright, I'm here. It's alright. Got a bit of a view of the drop. I'm just going to hang my hand over. I'm alright, Kelly. I'm alright. You can just see it's still going for another couple of 100 feet, maybe more. It's a bit on the dry side, and it just cascades down all the way down to that big drop down the end there. You can just see that. Try and zoom in. Not really getting that zoom. Yeah, there's a drop there. Just as the water stops. Where the water ends, probably the biggest drop is there. As you can see. There it goes. Rolling over. Hope you can hear me. But that's pretty powerful. There it is. Whoa! I better get out of here. The old vertigo's getting in. Alright. Yeah, and then the view down is absolutely magnificent. There we go. Hello! I'm alright here, I'm coming round now. Right. Complete. We both decided to call it quits on that one, but we went pretty damn far, I would say.
Yeah.
We're pretty high. I don't know what the height of the highest peak here is, but I think it's somewhere above 650 metres, close to 7, I'm pretty sure. I will pull it up here as usual, but we'll see. These are the Howgill Hills in Sedburgh. And they really are a great set of mountains to come to. And we're probably going to camp here one day, very soon. We'll try and get down. You alright back there?
Yep.
Yeah?
I know I'm pretty clumsy, so...
I know, I've got you, alright? I've got you. I'm just taking slow steps down.
It's quite steep.
You don't fancy fell running this then?
Oh, not quite too close to that drop.
That's alright, hang on. You okay?
Yep.
Alright, we're going. We got it. Guys, I will say, if you're unfit, this is pretty much, especially getting to the top there, a level 8 or 9 out of 10. So just be warned, you're alright to the foot, and then it's pretty steep if you're unfit. If you're relatively fit, I'll say around 4 or 5, maybe pushing 6. And you know you've done a good day's work, which we have. No matter what way you look at it, we've done a good equivalent. But yeah, we're going to get down the bottom. I'll see you there for our little signing out period. See you in a bit. We've made it to the pub, we've made it to the end, and we can't even get a beer. Oh! Sorry about that, that was mud. But that's it, I'm too knackered to talk. But from the Howgill Hills, and myself and Kelly here, she's done spectacular. Through the beauty and the fear, we're signing out. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.